To do this, double-click the header or footer until the header and footer menu appears, then check the different first page box. The page number on the cover page will disappear, but the page numbers on the pages after the cover page will start at number 2 instead of 1. To start from page 1, place the cursor at the beginning of the text on page 2. Then, go to the Layout menu and click Breaks, then select Next Page. Then, double-click the header or footer and go back to the header and footer menu. Uncheck the different first page box. Next, click Page Number, still in the header and footer menu, and select Format Page Number. The page number settings will appear. Set the page numbering started to 1 and click OK to save the settings. The page numbers will automatically start from number 1, even though they are on page 2 of the worksheet. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you find the explanation above unclear, I suggest you leave your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.